Hey, how y'all doing? I'm outside enjoying the weather today, and we're going to talk a little bit about van life and about your power supply, how to hook up a power system. I'm going to show you several different systems, and you can be the judge of that as to which one you want, because some of them aren't easy. So let's go through some of them and see which one's right for you, because I know which one's right for me and I'm going to show you. So let's get to it. Before we get started here, this is my 2005 Dodge Caravan, and yeah, there's lots of people live in these things and they can be set up pretty nice for van life. But today we're going to show you a few different systems for the power supply to run your refrigerator and your lights and all that stuff. So don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and let's go check out some of these systems. Okay, now here's a system, and you can do this on your van. It has 3 solar panels, it has 3 batteries, it has the inverter, your converter that converts it from 12 volts to 110 volts. This particular one has hot water and all kinds of stuff. You could do that. But right here you're looking at probably, let's see, there's 1,500 in batteries and probably 1,000 in solar panels and maybe another 1,000 in other electrical parts or more. So you're looking at $4,000 or $5,000 for this system. Is this the right one for you? Could be, but not for me. Now here's another shot of another system. Those 2 red knobs there, you have to turn those to make sure that you're not draining your battery from your van down when the system's not on. So that's his inverter setup. That right there is probably, a couple $100 for that little setup to go in your van. But you got to remember to turn stuff off and on. So if it's on when your van's off, you're going to kill your battery in your van. If you forget to turn it on to charge your system when you're driving your van, then your batteries will never get charged. So, there's pros and cons to most of them. Here's one that's neatly tucked away under the bed. And as you can see up there, it looks like he's got 2 batteries. So those are at least $500 or $600 a piece for those top batteries. And you have your inverter and your converter and your fuse box and your splitters for all your wires to go everywhere. And you have those heavy cables that go up to the front of your van to the battery in the front. This one looks like it has an automatic switch, but I'm not sure because I don't really see the one I'm looking for. So this one will charge your batteries off of solar, and it will charge your house batteries off your generator, off your vehicle as you're driving. And here's another one neatly tucked away, but this one is more accessible than some of the other ones I've seen. But you still have all this electrical stuff going everywhere, and it can be made a lot simpler. I'm not knocking these systems. If you have $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 or more to put into a system and hours and hours to wire everything up, then maybe this is for you. This one I like the way he's got it tucked away in the corner. He's got that removable cover there. You can take it off and you can see everything that's in there. Work on it very easily. Let me show you another picture. Okay, so there you have it. Which one's best for you? I know which one's best for me. Now most vans have outlets like this already in them. This particular outlet on my van goes to my switch. When my switch is off, this is off. So you won't be charging the Jackery if the switch is off. But if you plug it in here and plug this into the front where it says input, you see it's still not doing anything. But let me turn the switch on and you'll see what happens. See, as soon as I turn the switch on, it starts charging, which is pretty cool. If I could get my camera to stay where it's supposed to. So now it's charging, which is already 97%. But the good thing about the Jackery is you can leave this plugged into your car, van, whatever you have charge, and have it charging. And you can use this 110 outlet. You've got 2 of those. You've got 3 USB outs. You've got a 12 volt out. And you can use any or all of those while it's charging. Not all battery backups like the Jackery will do that. This is an Explorer 300. I will probably get me another one, maybe a bigger one. But this one serves the purpose for what I need. I have a small refrigerator that I will show you, and it keeps that going. And when the car's off, it's not charging. When the car's on, it's charging. So how cool is that? Click the display, and it's 97%, so it's not really going to do anything right now. So it's pretty much fully charged. And that's why I use the Jackery instead of spending thousands of dollars for an electrical build on your vehicle. Now, if you got the money to buy a $100,000, $150,000 Mercedes and you want to put an electrical system in it, I understand that. But if you're on a budget and you need electric in your vehicle, this is the way to go.